Hello everyone, welcome today on Thursday, a new day, Thursday, June the 9th, 2022. We have here in this newspaper only one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku puzzle, one regular puzzle, but we have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. 9, I believe. Yes, the 1 star, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku. Thursday, June the 9th, yes, 2022. Tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, killer Sudoku, and 2 binaries, number 1 and number 2. And those puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 9 extra Sudoku puzzles. On Thursday and on Tuesday, I've noticed that there are always 9 extra puzzles. And the rest of the days, well, with 6 extra puzzles. And what is the news of today? Let me see the news of today. Let me see, Well, the news of today, I see here, Jeff Goldblum, almost 70. This new film coming, Jurrasic Park. Another Jurrasic Park movie is coming with Jeff Goldblum. News of today, yes. Well, let me continue with the regular puzzle. The regular puzzle is a medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number. This will be number 4673. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars for 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. Yeah. I'm thinking. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, and look, we have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 4 and the 9. We have a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then. Yeah. We have a 2 in this row. 2 in the last row, so the row between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the second row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this row. Last row, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Alright. Let me see. So we have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 it goes there. Alright. 4 in this row. 4 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the third column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there. Here 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the third column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Alright. Alright. Let me continue. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, okay. 5 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 marks. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there in this row, yes. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see our 5 in the third column, so no 5 there. 5 supposed to be there, and all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. All right. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right. 1 box left in this column. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left in this last column. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Then we have a 9 in this row. The 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. All right. Okay. 1 box left in this row. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 6. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, no, need 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 6. All right. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have all the 8s, and all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 6, number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes. 1 box left in this row. For number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. For number 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column. So no 3 there, 3 should be there. And the final 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. Surprise. So, definitely a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm very well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later on, I will do the extra puzzles in the additional. I believe there are 5, half of the puzzles. We have 9 extra puzzles. Half of them, 5 of them, I will solve for today. Until then, bye bye for now.